So amúlùúdùn tọ́lọ́run dá ẹ ló máa jẹ́ ò ní dẹni ẹ̀yìn. So àmín. So I'm interceding for you and I'm interceding for your being, that all the angels, I summon all the angels that God created to be your helper. They shall continue being your helper from this moment. Those who bad spirit has chased away shall come back to you to be your aid. Amúlùúdùn, as from this moment, as ọmọ ọba aláṣẹ ọ̀run, kan lára àwọn ọmọ ọba aláṣẹ ọ̀run, mò ń fi àṣẹ ọ̀run báyìí, gbogbo ibi tí ìdè bá tún wà kí ọ̀run tú sílẹ̀ báyìí, nítorí pé iṣẹ́ tí a bá rán ikọ̀ nìkan jẹ́. In respect of my great-great-grandfather, in respect of God Olódùmarè, and in respect of all the good prophets, and in respect of my ancestor, and in respect of all the good people that God has called, the universe has embraced, in respect of those who are highly honest, without blemishes, I decree peace, richness into your life. Although Nigeria situation, it doesn't matter about even your destiny these days, everything is cascaded.